Franklin ate his lunch super-duper fast. He gobbled up the sandwich. He slurped down his milk. He swallowed his cookie in one big bite. "All done," said Franklin. He ran to the door. "Bye," called Franklin. And then he hiccuped. Franklin hiccuped all the way to Bear's house. He hiccuped all the way to the movie. He hiccuped all the way through the movie. "Shh," said everyone. "Hiccup," went Franklin. Franklin hiccuped all the way home. "Hold your nose and drink a glass of water," said his father. Franklin held his nose and drank a glass of water. Hiccup. "Breathe into a paper bag," said his mother. Franklin breathed into a paper bag. Hiccup. "Don't worry," said his father. "Your hiccups should stop soon."